Okay, we've got a 2015 Renault Kadjar, and we're going to be resetting the service lights. This particular model is a keyless start push button, so we will need the push button, and we will also need the right hand side of the dashboard. So we will need the up and down button and the OK button. So first things first, need to push the button and turn ignition on. So feet off the pedals and push the button, and it turns the ignition on without starting the car. Then need to scroll up and down to find service intervals. Once we've got that, we then need to push and hold the OK button. So I've pushed that now and holding. That'll bring you to the next menu, and again that's the oil change menu, and again using the up and down you can scroll through, see the service. So it's 0 months, that one's due. And the oil change, just an intermittent one, is in 11 months. So we need to highlight the one that's 0 months, so 0 MO on the bottom. Once you've got that, again push and hold the OK button, and then it will start flashing. And then it flashes 12 months, and then release when it stops flashing, and the spanner has now come off. And I've got the correct service interval in there as well. If you're carrying out an oil change at the same time, bring that round to the oil change. Again, push and hold, and it will start flashing, and then it will flash the new mileage, and then that's it. Release the button, and then that's it. We're done. So you can press the brake, start the vehicle. There we go. All done. Hope that was a help.